Alright guys, so I'm going to do a small little room tour. I redid my room, so I wanted to show you guys what I have. So this is all the bags that I either recently got or I use all the time. I have a little Hedwig there. I use her whenever I go to Universal. But these are the bags that have either special memories to them, or they're new, or I just wear them a lot, stuff like that. And then up here I have this beautiful print. So the frame obviously doesn't fit. I need to like either get one made for it or find a different one or crop it, but this is like 400 out of 1,000, so I didn't want to cut any of the paper because I feel like that would mess up the integrity of it. It's the family business portrait that Tattoo Parlor Inks, I think, or Tattoo Parlor Prints draws and makes and prints, and so I got one like this just from a frame from Michael's. I really like going to Michael's to get my frames because it's like real glass and there's thin sides. I like these because it's also front loading, so I can put the picture on the glass, make sure there's no like dust particles or whatever in there, and then put it in from the front. I love Supernatural, so that's another thing. I have more bags up here. I just wanted to kind of display these because these are more designer-ish. And then I have these drawers right here and some storage. I just have like dust bags in here. Some of them are empty. A lot of like literally all my makeup brushes that I've collected over the years. Some makeup that I don't use, but these are like lashes. And these things, like, I don't use them, but they're like from special collections. Or I want to depot them, or I want to back to MAC them to get a lipstick or something. So I have all that there. Yeah, I don't wear lashes, so I don't know why I have this. So it's like a combination of like bags and makeup in here that I don't really reach for often, but it's stuff that I don't want to throw away. And of course I have my closet. Don't really want to go into that all stuff, but I have these spirit jerseys. On this side I just have like my lays I had from graduation, some necklaces. I have like a tripod down here, a lot of filming equipment when I wanted to be a hashtag YouTuber. I have my dog bed. I'm not creepy. I don't have a fake dog in there. My dog, Thor, looks like that dog, obviously without glasses. So he sleeps in there sometimes. Usually he sleeps in the living room with all of our other dogs, because I close my door and I don't want to trap him in, and I don't want him to like want to pee and poo and like have him either have an accident or like low-key torture him. So I have him out there most of the time, but like on the weekend I let him sleep in here because I don't mind waking up at like 3 a.m. and letting him out. I don't know, just a good system that me and my dog have. Like, it's not that serious. But yeah, I have this little dog bed just so when he ever wants to just chill out in my room, he can sit there. And he's pretty smart. Like, I'm just like, go in your bed, and he walks in his bed. But right now, I didn't have room for this pillow on my bed, or on any of my chairs, so I put that in there. There's like a Slytherin blanket as well. I use this for him to like put on my bed because I'm like kind of a germaphobe. So I put it on my bed and he sleeps on that, so it's like has his essence on it. Let's go this way. I have this thing right here. I just bought this one recently too. It says "You're a wizard, Mary," because Mary rhymes with Harry. I'm so clever. Let's go this way. I have this thing. I just printed it off online with The Shining, with American Gothic, and then this is like a little thing that I printed out as well. I'm gonna mess this whole setup up, but I kind of like have them all laid down here. I don't know what to do with it. And I have Wednesday Addams, but yeah, I don't know. Oh god, she's gonna fall. But I don't know what to do with these guys. So right now they're just kind of hanging on each other, kind of. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those two. But yeah, I have that kind of set up there. I have two pictures of my two dogs, Marshy and Thor. Yeah, the bed's kind of for Thor. Like this dog bed's for Thor. Marshy's crazy. She will literally not want to sleep in the bed. So I let her just do whatever she wants. Sometimes she lays down here, but Thor is like my number one. Like he'll come in then he'll just lay down and sleep. Marshy doesn't care about sleeping. She will be up 24/7. I have my little dream vision board that I did in January, which is funny because low-key I bought that bag recently. But yeah, I'll just kind of show you. I wanted to be more organized, wanted to write more scripts, wanted to travel. This is just like a fun little thing that I did. I have these two pictures from Etsy. And I have this neon light from Urban Outfitters. It says Cosmic. And then I got these, this from IKEA. And I got these knobs from Amazon. And just in here is just like 4 letters and random stuff. My favorite wallet ever. Love that. When I have like old phone cases that I don't want to throw away because it gives me memories. I have like camera equipment and random stuff. I just got a Swiffer, so that's in there. I kind of have like scarves, hats, socks in here. Just random stuff. Some paper stuff. I have like recording stuff in here. My silhouette in here. I have more paper stuff like sewing equipment. Extra of these things just in case I want to switch some of them out. Fabric in here. Just like this is like a little crafty area right here. And then speaking of crafty areas, I have this thing right here. This is like my cart I got from IKEA as well. Has all of my fun little Filofaxes and stuff like that. It is a little jewelry holder, necklace holder I should say. And I got it from Urban Outfitters. And I thought it looked really nice like on that wall. Because I feel like something was missing. Like if you sit right here, like something was missing in that general area. And it's really like it's eye level, and I don't know, I just really like the way it looked. And then I have my computer. It's kind of really messy right now. Don't look at it. But just wanted to showcase my Coochie Copy that I got from Comic-Con. But you can see it's like light up. My computer, my monitor. This is what I used to use to edit. I used to edit with. Do my music with this as well, as you can see. My little thing. I've been getting more into music recently, and I took off my long nails so I can start playing guitar again. But anyways, I got this Monster Book of Monsters at Barnes & Noble, and it kind of just sits there in my chair. I really like it, and I kind of have the chair out right here just so I can look at it. And then I take the pillow from the other side, and I kind of like do that, so I think that's kind of cute. I got the pillow from PB Teen. Up here, which is really cool, the glare though. I have this signed poster of Supernatural, and as you can see, it's only signed by Jensen because Jared missed his flight. So it's kind of cool. Like I only have Jensen's autograph because most of the time they're always together. It's signed by Sarah Gamble, Eric Kripke, and Ben Edlund. He was like on the side, but yeah, and I like how Jensen's marker's kind of like not working, but it's fine. And I have this one from Etsy. This is just of their mugshots and like all of their stats and stuff. I thought that was kind of cool. And I also got this one from Etsy as well. I have my 2 guitars. Anyways, moving on. I have this part right here. I have the Mirror of Erecid, I can't say it, sorry about it. But it's just propped up by the wall. I have these pins in here. On my chocolate frog thing. I have more pins in here as well. These 2 boxes are empty. Sorry about it. And I have my Harry Potter wand that glows. It's one of those light up ones. More sewing kit and stuff. I have like a empty makeup thing right there. And then over here I have all my makeup. I don't know why I have 2 mirrors. I am just that self-absorbed. It's fine. But this is the stuff that I like use all of the time and like new stuff. And a good little thing that I like to use and like to do, I kind of go through all of my makeup once in a while and I sell it to Glam Bag. Okay, so when I want to buy new makeup, I sell the old makeup to glambot.com. They send you a free shipping label. You just package all of your old makeup up, and then you send that over to them, and then they will evaluate all of your makeup,
and they will give you a price for it. Of course, you are not going to get the same amount if you sold it yourself, like on Poshmark, but you don't have to sanitize, you don't have to do all that stuff. And obviously, Glambot needs to make a living and a profit, so they kind of give you less. But still, if you think of the grand scheme of things, you're getting money for stuff that you're not even using. It's just like Poshmark, just like eBay, but convenient because you don't have to do all of that cleaning and all that stuff. They will do it for you. Obviously, this isn't sponsored, but if Glambot wants to sponsor me, hit it up because I use them all the time. But that's it. That's all for this voiceover. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.
Some HRH stuff in here. I can't open it. But then I have this empty box, and it's empty because I had my necklaces in there that I put on here. I have the Quibbler that I got in London in the Harry Potter studio tour. I have me and my two dads, Sam and Dean, Jensen and Jared. I love that picture. I have some of my books in here. Another picture of me and Thor, because I had this frame that I never used and I just put that photo in there. This thing, I hate it. I don't like it. The look of it in my room, I don't like that. I like the functionality, obviously, but I need to figure out what I need to put here, what I can put here instead, because I want to put my Alexa on something, but there's nothing I could put it on. Oh, and then storage, I have more storage. I have my keyboard in there, a little caboodle, that stuff. Alright, and then I have my bed. It has a constellation thing. I got this from Urban Outfitters. Just thought it kind of pulled the room together. So that one I got from PB Teen. Get and Loser and Pansy Parkinson I got from Society 6. I will do a little close-up. I love the Pansy Parkinson. She looks so, like, cool and, like, bitch, don't mess with me. All of these things, my nightstand, all my skincare, and I have this thing from Target, which is really cool. If you kind of like look, it's kind of gold on this side, which is awesome. My lighting fixture, my Lotion, pictures of me and my family. Dean, you can move out of the way. But I have like all these books here, some notebooks that I haven't written in yet, and I have Chamber of Secrets book right there. These two guys right here from Hot Topic, just a Harry and Malfoy. And then I have a little Dean guy from Supernatural. Got it at Comic-Con. And then up here, another prized possession. I have Game of Thrones and I have True Blood. Not gonna be able to name all of them, all of the signatures, because there's literally these two shows have so many ensembles. They're ensemble cast. There's so many people. But I got this in 2015 or 2015 or 16. 2000. No, oh my god, it says 2014 right here. I'm an idiot. But I got the little ticket. I slept overnight for these two. It was not worth it. I mean, it was worth it, but if you don't really like the show, it's not worth it. And then Nelson Ellis, rest in peace. I low-key forgot that like I had all these signatures, and when he passed away, I was like so shook. But then like when I was redoing this room, I saw this and I was like, oh my god. Like, hashtag blessed that I have his autograph. He was so nice, and I even asked him like, hey, how you doing? Like, love your show, love your character. And he's like, oh, I'm doing great, stuff like that. And I was just like, oh, I love him. I love all of you. Oh, and then I want to show you guys this. You can't really see it, but it's just the Eiffel Tower with Peter Pan. Kind of childish now that I look at it, but like, I like Paris, love it to death, and I don't really want to peel it off because it's going to be like sticky and shit. I don't want to clean it, and like it kind of, I don't really notice it as much. But I thought it was kind of like clever of me, because I was like, oh, they're going to be like flying over Eiffel Tower instead of flying over Big Ben. I just don't like these two things. I don't like this one. I don't like that one. I don't know what you guys would do, but my two subscribers that watch me still. And then for this one, I was thinking to keep the white tabletop and put black legs. Because I don't know what else I would do there, because if I get an actual desk here like this one, it's going to look too cluttered and too big. I don't like that. But I kind of just don't want that even there. But like, I don't know where I would put my makeup. Because beforehand, all my makeup was in these drawers, and I kind of don't want to do that. I had a light in there and everything. Like, it was bad. So, I don't know. Like, it looks good from, like, far away. But, like, it's just not cohesive enough, you know?
All right, so I'm doing another voiceover because I forgot to do an outro, but I need help on that desk still. It's crazy and way too messy right now because I don't have drawers to put stuff in. But yeah, I don't know what I should do for that area. I'm still brainstorming, and like I added a bedside table instead of that weird white thing that I was using with my Alexa on it. I fixed that. Another idea that I was having for the makeup was taking that all away and just using the storage case, the brown one that I have, and put my makeup and my mirror and get a little poof to sit on to do my makeup. Because back in the day when my makeup was in the closet, I would take my foundation, my eyeliner, all that stuff, and line it up on that little ottoman. I actually filmed some videos sitting down on the ground, and that's what my setup was. And I was thinking of doing that again, but I am not sure what to do exactly. Not sure if I should keep it because it is a good desk, but it just isn't the look that I'm going for my new room. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, please tell me down in the comments down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.